Good morning from France. Today is day 3 of our trip, day 2 in France. And look where we are. This is our view from our balcony. We are at the Pullman Paris Tour Eiffel, and we're having breakfast in a room service. We have our breakfast platter here. This was about 52 euros. We've got a little pastry basket with some croissants, looks like chocolate croissants, some bread, some coffee. We've got scrambled eggs, bacon, sausage, a fruit bowl. I don't remember what juice we got. It's not orange juice, just by looking like it. I'm sure it has orange in it, and then a glass of espresso. Is it that sweet? I guess so.
No. Get the
Here's my beautiful, lovely Sophia munching on a croissant. She already got cutie pics, not in this outfit, but she changed because it's cold. But this shit's bussin'. It's good. We got, did I already show this all?
Yeah.
Yes.
So, what we thought was jelly. Turns out to be Nutella. I'm mad we didn't put this on the croissant.
I know. Well, we'll put it on this.
Oh, trust. Here, I got you, babe. Like, come on. Wait, let me give you a little more.
Okay.
Don't be shy, I have some more. Okay, babe.
Okay, swap.
Okay. Oh, my finger was in it. Sorry.
Okay.
I'm better now.
We are trying
French
bread
Nutella.
and Nutella. Okay.
Is it good? Mm-hmm. Yeah.
She's tasty. You know, you can really taste the bread and the Nutella. But it's good. Let's go. All right, we've got a couple hours till our train, so we wanted to get closer to the tower. This pigeon is lit. Okay, I'm so happy we got one of the old press. She has like an old tiny camera set up over there, and it's donation only, but it's so cute. Like, and it like prints out this little newspaper, Eiffel Tower, and let me show you the other pictures. Wait, do you wanna?
Yeah. Okay.
Hold on.
One.
So we got this one, crazy pose,
This
looking at each other, all
one.
cutesy.
Oh, cutie. I think she gave
Smiling.
us...
We have two of the smiling
Yes,
ones.
which is good, because I wanted,
Me too.
like, each of us to have a copy. And the best one...
Our first kiss in Paris.
Wow. We kind of
We
serve.
have chills. Yes.
Wow, yes.
Time to buy tourist merch. So there's a lot of fences around here because the Olympics are happening in just a month. Crazy. I bought an Olympics pin in here. I'll show it in a bit. I got cafe glacé and we're happy. We are at Gare de Lyon.
That
Train
kiss
station.
is so pretty.
And as you can tell, they're playing Uptown Funk. Our train is to the Eras Tour. And what platform are we? 13. Here we go. Alrighty, gotta take a look at all the stuff I got in Paris before we move on to Lyon. So I did get a few things from Cafe de Flore. I have a napkin, some sugar packets, and then also a jar. I've got this Coca-Cola bottle from the Pullman, and it has the Olympic rings on it, so I thought that was cool. And then it says produced in France. Right here, I've got the snow globe. I don't know why it's an egg, but it does kind of have a curve on the Eiffel Tower similar to Soarin', so I love that. But had to get one that says Paris. Got these 2 postcards, Paris by day, Paris during and sunset. And of course I had to get some pins. Got an Olympic pin and a regular Paris pin. That concludes my Paris souvenir haul. This, as Sophia just said, is giving Cleveland, Ohio. We are at McDonald's. Okay, I figured out how to edit this. Back. Little wrap goat cheese. What is in this? Goat cheese sauce. Oh. Somebody tried to pickpocket us at the McDonald's self-checkout. We just got McDonald's. We're waiting for our Uber to take us to our Airbnb because we want to go on the metro with all this crap, or the tram. So, yeah. Okay. Uber would not let us actually get picked up at the mall for some reason, so we have to walk all the way around the other side of the train station to get fucking picked up. And yeah, great. Here we are, yay! Girl, we just had to walk down this steep-ass street, and we went to the wrong door, and then we found this one, and it was so heavy to push it open. Yeah, and then we couldn't figure out how to open this. We had to pull it, and then we couldn't get the lockbox to open, but we did it. Let's go to our room. There's no, like, girl. Okay, we had to, sorry. We had to turn the key 3 times, but we made it. It's cute. Okay. Jacuzzi tub. What is that?
A closet.
Oh, okay. Here is our lovely fan. Here's me. This is really cute, actually. It's pretty spacious, too. Okay. I have the same watering can.
Wait, yeah.
And look at how cute this is.
So cute.
Wow. Okay. The nuggets came in a bag. Here's my fries. This is my goat cheese thing. And my burger. And these are my macarons.
What?
Wow. These are creamy deluxe sauce. And I think this is kind of like the sweet and sour sauce. Okay, this goat cheese thing, 11 out of 10. I will have a bunch of clips from the show. I will most likely not put actual music from the show due to copyright reasons. My Speak Now Taylor's version vlog from a few months ago. But I could put clips of her like talking and stuff for sure. So if you want to see more concert videos, go to like my TikTok page or my Instagram page. You'll see some stuff there. Okay, we just got dropped off by our Uber. We decided to do Uber instead of the Metro because we were running really late. Paramore is on in like 10 minutes, maybe already, I have no idea. But we're here, we're at the stadium. And we'll be here for night 2 tomorrow. So we'll see Paramore regardless. We'll be here earlier tomorrow. Today we were just in a rush because of travel and such. But we're here. Eras Tour. We are in the stadium, drinking our water, waiting to get in the floor. Bitch, we made it.
We made it, bitch! Let's do this together. Thank you for letting us be a part of your Eras Tour. This is an honor. And behind the drums right there, that's Zach Farrow. The three of us started Paramore in 2003. It's a long time. Wait, let me read this. Parafam is watching you. 32 shows, 9 countries, 15 years, and I'm still into you. Thank you. Love you. It's good to see you. Thank you for being excited with us. It means a lot. Can we sing you a love song?
What's happening, Sarah? You know, it's my first time to ever be in Lyon, and the way that you are it's just making me feel incredible. Okay, that just made me feel really, really powerful.
play a sold-out show for 60,000 beautiful people in Lyon! I guess what I'm trying to say is you're making me feel like I'm the man. So I was telling you earlier, this is my very first time getting to visit Lyon, and look at how you have welcomed us. This is unbelievable. They told me before I went on stage tonight that because of you, this just became the highest selling concert for a female tour ever in this stadium. To a pretty exciting start this evening. We've already had a blast tonight because you got to see the best band possible. And by that, I mean a couple of kids that I grew up with in Nashville who we get to now tour Europe together, which is an absolute dream come true. Fronted by the best vocalist of all time, I mean Paramore. Now Lyon, you and I, we're about to go on a little adventure, and that adventure is going to span 18 years of music, and we're going to be doing this one era at a time. How does that sound to you? All right, so you're about to hear a lot of songs that I've either written about my life, my feelings, or something that I made up in my imagination. And maybe that's what you think about when you hear these songs out in the world. But that's all about to change tonight, because after tonight, when you hear these songs, you're gonna think about us and the memories that we made here tonight on the Eras Tour. I'll be your host this evening, Je m'appelle Taylor.
We are officially the rain show.
What dress is mother gonna wear?
I hope the cupcake one.
Great. Long story short, her name is Betty. That is set. That is permanent, because it doesn't matter if it rains again. It really did rain during the show, and you guys are absolute champions and heroes for dancing even harder when it started raining. I saw that. I have to tell you that, you know, I haven't really toured in Europe very much, and I didn't know what to expect coming over here and doing these shows. I can't thank you enough for the ways that you welcomed us. I have never performed for crowds like this in my life. traditions that we started on the Eras Tour, and it's one of my favorite parts of the night because the acoustic section, I'm always trying to come up with something new to do on guitar. It's like tonight, I try out playing a song that I've never played live before. Oh, yeah, this is going to be fine, I think. Yeah, this is going to be great. We're just, now you're really seeing how things work on a range show. Sometimes the instruments just break, and then we have to fix them.
But this is also way more efficient than leaving any stadium in the United States. So I have to say.
Efficient in the United States.
Here's our cup of confetti. Girl. We're gonna be here a while. Okay. Tram station hell. We've been here for it's an hour after the show.
Over an hour.
We've been here forever.
It's literally
And
over an
we
hour.
should get on the next one. We'll see. Okay, we moved to the edge. We made it off the tram. Now we're waiting for the metro. This was way easier though. It's like being home. It is 2 hours after the concert, and we still have like 30 minutes. Including the train and walking. We will be looking for alternate routes for tomorrow. We finessed seats. Bye. Happy Pride.
Happy Pride.
As Taylor Swift once said, during You Need to Calm Down on June 2nd in Lyon, France.
2024.
Happy Pride.
Happy Pride.
We are walking to our Airbnb now. This is kind of pretty late. This is our first, we didn't get to walk around the city yet, so. Cool. We're near Hotel del Ville. The metro was very busy, but it wasn't too bad in terms of like just using it. The tram, however, nightmare. We will have to use the tram again, but we're gonna try to find another station because that one was horrid. So we'll see. It's so dead. It's so cool. This is like very.
Call me by your name.
Okay, yeah. This is what we're working with. It's giving a love story. Rapunzel in her tower.
Home sweet home.
And we're back. What time is it?
1:45.
1:45. So it was about 2 hours and 20 minutes after the show ended that we got back. Okay. I want to show off the 3 bracelets. Here's snow confetti, yay. So 3 bracelets I traded for. Here we have lavender haze, cherry lips, so cute, literal cherries out of the beads. I love that. And then Begin Again, since we went to all the filming locations. We got this from some queen, I don't know her name, but she was the first person to come up to us. And then she came up to us after the show, talked to us, and I gave her my surprise song, pictures and videos. So.
Then I got this lover bracelet. It's so cute.
Cute.
This is so cute. It
I love that
says
one,
Epiphany. Like it's like braided and so cute. And then this one I also love. This one says Karma. It's got like the little disco balls.
Did you get a 4th one?
No.
Because you traded with that other person when I was posting my video.
Oh, you're right.
Just
I
a
did.
moment.
This blank
This one?
space one.
There you go. That's
Very
cute.
cutie.
Okay, a little bit about the show. Our surprise songs, we got 2 mashups. The first was The Prophecy, mashed up with Long Story Short. This food is so good. Amazing. Show-stopping. Unbelievable. I've received threats since it happened. Changed my life. That was also my first ever Evermore surprise song. After 8 Era shows. So I only have to get a lover surprise song and I'll have gotten one from each album. So hopefully tomorrow. Then the second surprise song mashup was 2 songs I'd actually gotten before as surprise songs on the Eras Tour, but this time mashed up, they were perfect together. It was amazing. It was 15 from Fearless, which I got Nashville Night 2, and then You're On Your Own Kid, which I got Tampa Night 2. It was an amazing mashup. Loved it. It's great. And that's like, even though it's not on the set list, it's kind of like the Eras Tour song, because like, make the friendship bracelets. Come on. Floor was not too bad. I mean, obviously it stinks having to stand that long, but there was room to move. So the only real downside was you couldn't just sit at certain points if you needed to. But honestly, it was nicer being able to move around, and like at certain parts of the show it would be a little more cramped, but then sometimes it would open up and you actually literally like move around, dance, and it was more open than floor seats because the seats are kind of close, tight together too. So I see the benefits of both. If we weren't coming from Paris today, we literally got the tickets for the show a week ago on Ticketmaster France, resold through like their verified fan exchange. If we'd planned for this more in advance and didn't have train tickets, all that already, we would have gotten there way earlier and gotten way closer, but we were still really close. So I'm satisfied. I'm very happy. Anyways, that concludes day 3 of our France trip, day 2 in France, and day 1 in Lyon, and day 1 of the Eras Tour. Tomorrow we get to do it all over again. We're probably gonna chill most of the day. We're gonna go get breakfast and maybe lunch, but that is the plan for tomorrow, is just chill, enjoy the day. And even though there's no air conditioning in this Airbnb and we just have this fan, it's really cozy in here right now. Now, if it was hot middle of summer, I don't know. But this is kind of fine right now. Like, I actually like it a lot.
To conclude the vlog, we are eating our McDonald's, showering, and going to bed.